Hey there, thinking about closing your NameCheap account? No problem. It's actually pretty straightforward. Let's walk through it together step by step. First thing first you have to do is go to NameCheap.com and log into your account. Here I'm already inside the NameCheap after logging in, and this is how the dashboard of NameCheap look like. Now what you have to do is go to the account, which is in top right corner. It's over here, and under account section scroll down and go to the profile. Tap on it. That will take you to the profile page. Let's scroll down again, and under profile you can see other options too. There's personal info, security, billing, tools, and inbox. What we need in order to delete an account of NameCheap is security. Tap on security, and under security there you can see access, and under access there's an option for support pin, and the support pin says it's valid to the February 23, 2025. Let's refresh it. Now the pin has been changed. We will need this pin in order to delete account. Simply copy it and go to contact us, which is in top left corner. It's over here. Tap on submit ticket. Here you can see general support and other things. Just tap on my account and go to account access, and here tap on how do I cancel. So you have to send an email to domain support@namecheap.com, where you have to provide a NameCheap account, username, support pin, and the reason you want the account to be closed. Please note that we like to inform you that as soon as the name is closed, it cannot be reestablished and you will not have any access to it anymore. Also, you will not be able to create an account again with the same username, but you will be able to create a new account with us anytime. So that was all of this. What you have to do in order to delete a NameCheap account is sending an email to domain support@namecheap.com. I'm not going to do this, but let me give you a how can you write the email. Let's open Notepad. So this is Notepad, and that's how you can delete NameCheap account. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.